Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new 2021 Scout 215 XSF. This is the first boat that we've received with Scout's new crystal blue hull color. Looks really sharp, really clean. It's going to look great on the water. Standard with all the Scouts is a stainless insert within that white rub rail. Beautiful lines on the 215. Pan up, you can see the hard top as well. Now we'll go inside and see the rest of the features. So here in the cockpit on the 215 XSF from Scout Boats, we have a pull-out stern seat. Comfortably seats too, within an arm's reach of the leaning post for safety and some support. Stows away really nice and clean. Access to your bilge area is here. Everything's all finished out, easy to access, easy to keep clean. Scout always does a great job with their bilge area and bilge access, not an afterthought by any means. 2 swim platforms on either side. We have a closable and lockable cockpit door on the starboard side. Our telescoping reboarding ladders to starboard as well, with a stainless steel grab handle. At the transom, we have a freshwater connection, which is an option on this boat. This boat is powered by a 4-stroke, 150 horsepower Yamaha with digital throttle and shift, so that's the 150 XCA motor. We have 4 rod holders and 2 cup holders along the transom, recessed cleats, and we have a live well that is standard, which can also serve as a raw water washdown. Bolsters that run throughout the boat. You have LED rope lighting here in the cockpit. Rod storage, both port and starboard. These are also great for boat hooks and boat brushes. Standard igloo cooler beneath the leaning post. Rod holders, 3 cup holders. Panning up to the hard top, we have optional rocket launchers and an optional tea bag storage bag. Really comfortable helm area here. Really impressed with the upholstery on this leaning post. So here you have adjustable bolsters that work independently of each other, so your driver can either sit or stand comfortably with a nice angled footrest, and likewise your passenger can still sit if they prefer. Here at the helm, standard steering wheel is a Lumar steering wheel that does have a steering knob. It's on an adjustable tilt base. We have a 9-inch Garmin with a through-hole transducer as an option. Standard Fusion Bluetooth stereo, again digital controls with that Yamaha 4-stroke. All of my switches are here for lights and pumps. Trim tabs and the LED indicators are both options, both equipped on this boat. We have a storage area here with charging ports for our devices, 2 cup holders, and our digital gauges from Yamaha. The powder coating along with the hardtop are both options as well for this boat. Really large head area for a 21-foot boat. You've got just about 5 feet of headroom. Batteries are also located in there along with our battery switch. And you can do a porta potty on this boat. That's an easy add post-production as well. Moving to the bow, really comfortable bow area. I have removable backrests here. I'm 5'10". I can comfortably lounge here. I have storage beneath both of these seats with these lids that lift and remove. That's all finished out and it's all drained. Again, backrests remove. All of these cushions come out, so if you want to convert this to more of a fishing area, you can easily do that. Everyone's favorite seat on the 215, you have the chase lounge. Armrests are built into the hardtop frame. Really comfortable seat. That's also great for storage. So you have really deep storage here. That is drained. This is an insulated lid, so this will keep ice. This can be a fish box, dry storage, a giant cooler, really however you choose to use it. Behind these backrests, we have 2 cup holders, a recessed non-skid area for devices, cell phone, sunscreen, upgraded JL audio speakers that are an option. Further forward, we have bow cup holder, rod holder combo receivers. So this boat is ready for a bow sunshade. And our anchor is housed forward here. that's a look at our 215 XSF from Scout Boats. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island, exit 23A off 526. Give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out on marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.